I got a message, sir. I have not slept for the last 2 days. I'm only thinking about one thing. What if I scored low marks in the CAT exam? What if I fail in the? I have never failed in my exam life. In my life, sir, never failed. What if I fail in the CAT exam? What will happen? What? Okay, I understand that point. Fine. Bhagavad Gita says, "Karam karo, fal ki ichha mat karo." Focus on the hard work. Don't think about the results. We'll talk about that, what will happen. Yeah, result ka tension is to be taken in January. Result is going to come in the first week of Jan. If I take the tension of that today, then what will you do after CAT? The tension, the quota of the tension have to be at different level. Right now, the quota of the tension should not be for the results. The three phases. Phase 1, now. Phase 2, after exam, before result. November 28 से लेकर Jan 5th तक. Then Jan 5th के बाद का third level of. There are three different, all three different have a different problems and different way to look at. Right now, your problem should be only to focus on clearing maths, verbal, logic. Forget about all the other tensions in your mind, all the other things about result, exam, paper में कितने क्वेश्चन आएंगे, ये क्या, अरे बाबा अपनी बात, things you can't control, why to look at, what if COVID come, what if, अरे बाबा तू अपना स्कोर तो ला, कोविड आए ना आए, जब तक तेरे को 100 नंबर नहीं आएंगे तुम क्या कर लोगे, या 75 मार्क्स 95% टाइम नहीं आएगा क्या कर लोगे. ओके, सो दैट इज माई पॉइंटर नंबर 1. नाउ व्हाट इफ यू स्कोर लेस, तो क्या करोगे आप? बिग डील, I'll focus on non-CAT exam. The moment CAT is over, we have IFT का exam. After 2 weeks SNAP का exam. After 2 weeks we have ZAT, CET, CMAT, other exam. We focus on that. चंद्रमुखी हो या पारो, की फर्क पैंदा यारो. Or if you have no experience, or if you have taken, if you are a college student, we'll go for next year CAT. Big deal. This year suppose you got 80 percentile. You will be feeling very confident for next year to get 99 percentile because you already have got 80 percentile. Fine. So rather than thinking negative, right now the focus should be only quant, verbal and DA logic. मेरा करियर का क्या होगा, कोविड का क्या होगा, भाई कोविड की टेंशन, सर वेव 3 आएगा तो क्या होगा, अरे भाई जो तेरे हाथ में है ही नहीं, या तो तू सड़क पे खड़ा हो जाए डंडा लेके, कोविड 3 जहाँ देखे उसको मारते जाओ, ठीक है, या तो तुम यू कैन टेक सम एक्शन, ठीक है, गो एंड हेल्प द गवर्नमेंट, ज्वाइन द NGOs. फाइन है तो दो चुपचाप अपनी तैयारी करना, तू फोकस ऑन योर स्कोर. वाई यू वरीड अबाउट कोविड एंड व्हाट विल हैपन देयर? फाइन, थिंग्स विच आर नॉट इन अवर कंट्रोल, let's not think about that. Right now the focus should be keep giving weekly mocks, study for 6, 8, 10, 5, whichever number of hours you can do. Fine, that's the only thing, trust me, in our hand. कुछ अपने हाथ में नहीं है, और रिजल्ट जो आएगा देखा जाएगा. Okay, so please don't worry about the future, worry about the present. Okay, future में हम जनवरी के बाद वरी करेंगे. Okay, so right now the worry should be about quant-verbal logic. After exam is over, after November 28th, I'll worry about, okay, what if I get low percentile, then what to do? What if get high percentile, what I'll do? Then once you get the result, तब तो सब सामने आ गया, तब worry होती नहीं है, उल्टा होता है. People spend too much time worrying about the exam during the exam, that after the exam there's no worry. अब तो हो गया. Okay, so सब ठीक होगा. All the best.